Krishna. This is nice gate here, see? Quality style gate. So we are going to see to cross the ocean here. One of the material ocean we are going to cross is a Gilimanuk. We are from Denpasar. We from Nagara. Actually, from Nagara we crossing this ocean, and that ship is there waiting for us. All this car. Hare Krishna. So Ram Gopal Prabhu is here. Is our Sharathi driving us. Krishna Prabhu is here with us. We are going by the new car. I see there is a ship waiting for us to take us to other side of the ocean, Baniungi, and then from Baniungi we will have a quick darshan of the temple there. Gaur Nitai, Radha Shyam Sundar, Jagannath Durga Subhadra, and then today we will go to Jimba, right?
Jimba, yeah.
Jimba. There is a evening program today. I will show you the ocean. Just wait. Here you have to first register online. Online you have to get the ticket, and then by. So if you go by walk, then only 15,000 is the price for the ticket. If you go by car, then one car is like 200,000 you have to pay. So there is a ship waiting for us. We cross the ocean. So we are going up. Hare Krishna. So see the ocean. We'll cross this ocean, we'll go the other side, Baniungi side. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Nice place on the top of the ship. Big ship. Soon we will go the other side of the ocean. Baniungi. This is the place. What is the name of this place? Gilimanuk. Gilimanuk. So ये घाट लॉन्च घाट এই ঘাটের নাম হচ্ছে Gilimanuk. Gilimanuk from our Nagara Gaur Nitai center is like almost half an hour drive, and हम लोग आ गया Gilimanuk. अब ये शिप में चढ़ के ये समुद्र क्रॉस करना है. अरे वो